Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a gym test of the Beat Solo Wireless. Now this is the third version, Beat Solo Wireless 3. So we're going to test this in the gym and then see how good this is going to be. We will try different exercises. We'll try to do more of exercises where these kind of earphones fall. We'll be doing most of the running, jogging, HIIT kind of exercise. I'll try some of that. I'll try hanging, I'll try your regular weights and maybe a little bit of crunches, all these kind of exercises, and see how good this is going to be. I've been using it for the past 2 months, so I will be giving you my genuine opinion about how this is going to be in these kind of scenarios inside the gym and outside the gym also. So let's go ahead, start the test and then talk more about it. Okay, so you've seen the video. So I tried almost all the exercises I can think of. I didn't show you all of them. I just showed you the ones where I thought this might fall or there are chances of overhead earphones falling. But it did not fall no matter what I did. Running, jogging, bench press, sit-ups, lunges, whatever. Even the ab exercises, ab crunches. Nothing, it will not even move. So the fit is precise. So when I bought it new, at that time this was a little tight, not really that tight, it was just a little uncomfortable, but as you use it, this will adjust and then it will be just right. No matter what kind of exercise you do, you're not going to feel that this is too overpowering. In the starting it does feel a little hot because it's over the actually it's on the earphone headphone, so it is covering your ear, pressing it down. So I think for me it is perfect. I've been using it for all the exercises. Everything that I'm doing is with this. My running, jogging, outdoor exercises, indoor, whatever, it's excellent. The noise isolation is very good. It doesn't have noise cancellation, doesn't have a secondary mic, but the noise isolation is so good that you don't even need that. So all in all, excellent for the gym. Whether it's waterproof or not, I don't know. I've been using it in the gym for the past 2 months. I've been sweating onto it. The good thing is the ear cups, these do not soak in the sweat, so I'm able to wipe it off easily and it does not go in. So 2 months, nothing has happened, so hopefully nothing should happen anymore. So that's it. If you have any further questions, go ahead and comment. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.